Hi everybody, this is Uncle P, and I'm doing this Friday video for you before we go. This is really for the students who attended class on Thursday because we do provide live trade sessions, and I had mentioned about this trade on during class, and I'll just show you what we're looking at here. So on this one here, we did have the triple arrows that did come in and the thing did go down. But remember, I taught you guys in class yesterday about the flag patterns and the slant patterns with our triple arrow system. So how am I in a live trade with 66 pips on this one? And on this one is the Euro AUD, and this one is the Euro NZD, as you can see right here. Both of them, so combined together, that's what, close to 100 pips on a Friday. So let me go back to what I showed you guys, and this is really for the ones who attended class, but also for new people who's thinking about joining, and what do you learn from us. This is one of the things that I told you, this was easy money, and so easily you could have dropped down based on what we were talking about in class. You could have dropped down to the 15-minute and voila, there it is. You saw it just like we discussed in class on Thursday. So this was easy money. So congratulations for those. And I'm trying to pull up the other one. That's why I'm looking away from the camera. So anyway, right here is the other one. Triple arrows right here. And as you can see, I'm up 30 something pips on this trade off the triple arrow in the opposite direction of the triple arrow on the 1 hour. Why did we do that? Well, you're going to have to come to class and sign up for a program, and then we'll be able to go over that. But for those who did attend class, I just want to show you this review. We had to wait a little bit, but it actually is playing out perfectly, and I'm expecting a little more pips on that. So if it reaches my target, that'll be 100 pips on this one here, that it'll be reached. And if this one reaches its target, I'm currently up 67 pips now, and it's still climbing, but my target is about 133 pips on this one. So just a little over 250 pips just between those two trades if it hits target. Either way it goes, this is good money. One of the things you want to do is always lock in profit. So I'm going to move my stop loss into break even right here. All right, let's do that on that trade here. And on this one here, let's do this. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing. Let's go ahead. This one is still a little shy, a little short, a little shy. So I'll leave it there. And and I got to do this on my other account as well. Same thing. I have large and small accounts, so I got to go back. So let me hurry up and end this video because I want to make sure to move this into profit. I'm going to actually head out for today and go do some other things. So literally there's nothing more for me to do than to let these trades play out. I know it's on a Friday, but you know, it is what it is. We'll carry it into the weekend, over the weekend if necessary. But either way it goes, this was an anticipated move. So for those who attended class, congrats. By the way, for those who had been following our work and just, paying attention to what we've been talking about as far as with the Dow Jones Industrial Average and all that kind of stuff, let me kind of pull that up for you real quick and give you just an update on that, because I think that should have pulled up, just like I had explained to you, that what it's going to do is do a pullback before another drop. So let's take a quick look at that one. Give me a second. Let me pull that on the screen for you and give that to you. And this is for the people with the IRAs and 401ks and stuff like that. So let's go to the daily time frame, and voila, just as we talked about. Let me move my head down here so you can see me. Hello. So as you can see right here, we did get the big drop in the market, and expectedly it did pull back. And like I told you, for me personally, we make money whether it goes up or down. But right here, it's presenting a very good opportunity coming soon. And I'm going to check it out next week for us to go back into the market and sell it off again. Okay. So this is the USD. This is the S&P 500. Let's take a look on the shorter time frame. What do you see? Triple arrows. So I'm going to take that trade. And then let's look at that. That was the S&P. Let's look at the NASDAQ. Typically, when one is set up, the other ones are too. And there you are. See? And let's go to the NASDAQ. See? See how I came right back and touched. This is why I said the triple arrow system is so powerful. We can anticipate what the moves are going to be before they even happen. So a lot of you guys are wondering what's going on with the news events and this and that. If you had the system, it didn't matter. You would already know what was going on. Okay. So anyway, have a great weekend, everybody. I'll post this up. And this is really, like I said, for the ones who attended class on Thursday, because we talked about these trades. So congrats. You see, they played out just like we had talked about. Have a great weekend. And I'll see those who signed up over this weekend. I'll see you on the other side, inside the team, on Tuesday when we have our next live trade class. And we have a whole lot of new things coming out. It's going to be fabulous. Okay, so you're getting in at a good time. Have a great weekend. Be blessed.